So we arrived at the ceremony. This is not a wedding ceremony. This is some ceremony with turmeric. The colour of this is going to be yellow because of the turmeric. Apparently everybody's going, not everybody, but the close family, I guess, are going to put turmeric on our friends' cheeks. And I'm not remembering what the purpose of that was. But they're still setting up, so we'll get to see the setup. That stage is really lovely. Oops, I'm moving too fast. This is empty, but there's going to be dancing tonight. And they're setting up lights and such here. All these beautiful flowers making up this display. So many people in their yellow. They put turmeric on to give in this case, the groom a glow for the next day. And apparently at the bride-to-be's house, they're doing something similar. And so this is just the guy and the guy's side of the family.
બા તમારે કેવું પડશે વાહ મેમ તમને કેવું પડશે સુખી લગ્ન જીવનની ચાવી શું છે મજા ભાઈ હવે બેસ્ટ ફ્રેન્ડ જેટલા તમે છો કોઈ એક કિસ્સો જે તમારે કહેવાનો છે પાર્થ વિશે
We are sitting at a place of honor in the middle of the floor. Got a yummy supper prepared, but I could have lived without because I ate so much lunch. We're a little embarrassed to be the center of attention here, but blessed. And that's some sour cream, I think, or yogurt, in case it's too spicy.